Mastercam X9 continues to improve its ease of use and workflow. X9 solid chaining now supports linked edges. Solid chaining can now run along continuous solid edges regardless of how many faces the selected edges run across. Mastercam X9 can easily chain the bottom rail of a chamfer or a complex 3D edge for machining. Use linked edges to improve your workflow by eliminating the need to create extra wireframe for chaining. The new Analyze Toolpath option makes it easier to interrogate toolpaths without having to enter the individual toolpath parameter pages. Select Analyze Toolpath and simply hover over displayed toolpath segments or points to display an informative tooltip containing common parameters that are important to machinists. If you hover over a toolpath segment, Mastercam X9 displays feeds and speeds, spindle speed, segment type and size, coolant state, and the blue arrow represents cut direction. A green and red arrow also represent the start and final endpoint of the toolpath. If you hover over a toolpath point, Mastercam displays the XYZ coordinates of the point, which you can use to determine your step over, step down, or general location. Hovering on a drill toolpath displays a circle representing the actual drill diameter. The X9 Plane Manager is now modeless, so you can leave the Plane Manager open during your Mastercam session, just like you can leave the Level Manager open. Like the Level Manager, the Plane Manager can also be moved to a second monitor. And new graphical representations of selected planes make it easier to work with planes in Mastercam X9. Mastercam has improved the workflow for selecting all data on a level or group of levels. Highlight the desired levels and choose Select All Entities from the right-click menu. Mastercam selects all data contained on the highlighted levels with one simple click. The powerful viewsheet capability is now enabled in Mastercam X9 by default. Refinements to workflow make it easier to create, rename, and bookmark individual view sheets. Mastercam X9, making your work easier than ever.